Hi guys, this is Rahul and welcome to GoMahmai.com. In this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create conversion in Google Analytics and import that conversion inside your Google Ads.
Now, once you are inside your Google Analytics, first thing for you is to click on the admin. Next step, click on the event, and inside event, you have to click on create event, and next again click on create, and there you have to write down your custom event name so you can easily identify what that conversion is all about. And there's a perfect pattern to write the name, so always write Rahul_payment info so you can track it, like it's all about which website, or if you're doing tracking for XYZ website, then you have to write like that, add to wish list, begin checkout. So it's all about underscore and all the letters should be small. So custom event we have to write. Currently I'm going to write Rahul_thank you. So this is my custom event name. Now I have to choose the matching conditions. Matching condition is something where you tell Google Analytics to track that option. Let's say whenever there's a question mark, a coupon in the URL, then this parameter is going to track. So you have tons of parameter listed inside this Google Analytics, which is predefined. So you can track only this much of your parameters through Google Analytics. If you want to go tracking on the broad way, then you have to choose Google Tag Manager. Through Google Tag Manager, you can track anything inside Google Ads or Google Analytics both. So here we want to track the page title. So I'm going to type page. When you type page, you'll find three options: page title, page refer, page location. So for me, page location is better option. Next option we have is condition. When the operators equals, not equals, equals, ignore, equals, does not equals, contain, does not contain. So I'm going to choose contain. When I fill this form, I get redirected to thank you page. So I want Google to test when this thank you is there in my URL. When the term thank you is there in my URL, then this event will get fired. In case if you want to add multiple options, such as page title should be title of the page. Here you can see the title of the page is thank you. Each page have different titles. Here you can see the title is plugins WordPress. So even you can match the title to avoid confusions. And now copy your custom event name. Once that is done, click on create. Here you'll see the Rahul_thank you event is created, and the page location contain thank you and page title contain thank you. You can choose only one option also. This my scenario will be valuable if I'll choose this one also, because page location contains thank you. Both the things is like same. Once that is done, cancel this. And next option for us is to go to conversion. Click on new conversion. Here you have to enter the same name which you gave for your event. Click on save. Now here you'll see your conversion will come here, and click on this to change the counting method, once per event or once per session. So first option recommended is quite good, so I'm going to cancel it now. Next step for you is to make sure that your Google Ads account is linked with your Google Analytics. If you haven't connected your Google Analytics with your Google Ads account, there's a tutorial inside the description. You can go through it and learn how to connect it. Then only you'll be able to import your conversion. So I'm going to my Google Ads.
So once you are inside your ad account, you need to hover over admin, and there is option called link account. Once you click on the link account, you will click on manage and link, and there you can see you have tons of Google Ads account connected to your Google Ads account, but only one is linked, that is Troy site price. If you'll click on this, you'll see the detail, and there if you'll go to analytics, and inside analytics admin option is there. If you'll click on that, scroll down, and go to Google Ads product link side, you'll see your Google Ads account. If it is not linked, I have dropped you a link in the description box. Go ahead and watch that video, how to link Google Ads.
Now, for creating conversions, you have to hover over goals and click on summary. If you have created any other conversion, you'll find in this area. If you have not created any conversion, you'll find it blank, like this. Then you have to click on new conversion. And now we'll start creating conversions. So in this tutorial, first part we are going to handle is to import the Google Analytics. So now we are going to choose Google Analytics import option, and there we are going to choose Google Analytics 4 property. And we have web option. We haven't choose app or Firebase. We have chosen web app, and then we have to click on continue. And whatever the conversion you have created inside a Google Analytics, you will see in this area. So as you can see, I created Rahul underscore thank you underscore. So once that is done, click on import and continue. So I'm importing only one conversion. So once that is done, click on done. Now you will see the conversion got imported, and you can click on this conversion to edit the goal. And next here we have option to edit the setting. Here this is the conversion name, so that's fine, we are not going to change it. Next option is primary goal of the conversion. So here it's other. We are going to choose it as sign up. So whenever you are going to choose a lead form as a goal campaign, so then in that case you'll get a suggestion to choose this conversion. That's not going to much affect your conversion goal. Once that is done, click on save. Next option we have inside the conversion is the conversion value. Use same value for each conversion. What is the value for conversion means for each sign up or each contact form fill on a website, you are going to tell Google that add this conversion $10. So let's assume if you are investing $100 on a Google ad spend, and out of $100 you are able to get a return of $100 and 10 leads. That means 10 leads equivalent to $100, right? So each lead will value you $10. You can write any value just to satisfy yourself that we got this much conversion for each sale. Currently we are not using any dynamic option. So Google Analytics will not going to tell you exactly how much the conversion is going to value. This works perfectly when you are going to use GTM. So both these two options is same, no matter you use this or use this. So I'm going to use first option, that is 10 rupees for each conversion. Click on save. Next option we have is the conversion count. Every time one guy fills a form, it will be going to count as conversion. Or if the same guy fill 100 times also, is going to count as one conversion. This is the recommended conversion count. Once that is done, click on save. Next option we have is the conversion window. So whenever the till 90 days, if the conversion happens, Google is going to count it as conversion. So this is perfect. Next option we have attribution model. Always choose a recommended attribution model which is given by the Google Ads, and click on save change. Once that is done, click on done. Now go back. Now go to Google Ads. Try creating a new campaign. Try to choose lead. When you choose lead,
You'll see your conversion goal sign up that you created just now. If you hover over the conversion, you'll see it's an inactive or unverified conversion. The reason is that because you haven't used this conversion for tracking it. And there's one more way you can assign conversion to your Google Ads campaign. So once you are inside your Google Ads account, you need to select the campaign first. Once you select your campaign, there's an option called More Details. Click on that More Details and click on Edit Setting. And inside Edit Setting, you have Goal. And this is the setting for this complete campaign. So there we have option called Use Account Goal Setting or Use Campaign Goal Setting. So I'm going to choose Campaign Goal Setting, and you can choose the campaign goal from this area. Once that is done, click on save and click on save. So I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more further updates. Thank you.